In my previous video, I shared some ideas to help you increase organic reach on your Facebook pages. Well, I left out one power tip. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rosh. It is great to have you here. This channel is all about finding strategies and tactics and technology and ideas that we can combine with our business to help grow our business. In my previous video, we're talking about Facebook. Facebook is a very common social media platform that many of us use to help grow our business, but the problem is sometimes we can't get the reach that we need to make Facebook effective. I mean, the fact is we may only reach 2% of the people who actually like our pages, and for many of us, we think that's totally unfair. But there are some things that you can do to improve that reach. I know people who are getting 100, 200, 300 and more percent of reach compared to their actual likes on their page. So if they have 1,000 likes, they may have 2,000 or 3,000 people who are actually seeing their stuff. Now that is rare in the Facebook universe, but it's designed to be that way. In other words, only the best stuff is shared. And there are things that you can do to help increase the probability that people will see your work and your posts. But what you need to do is check out this video right here, and that's where I go through all of the details. But I left one thing out. One thing that's really important. One of the things we talk about in the other video is driving people to your posts early on. It's important because you need to get that momentum going. And one of the best things you can do is use the power of Facebook by using Facebook groups. Create a group of like-minded people who would be interested in the posts on your page. Interact with them and grow that group. So when you are getting ready to promote a new piece of content on your Facebook page, you can let people know it's coming up, and when you release it, you can let people know it's there, and people can go comment, and that activity, that engagement will help increase the momentum and help more people discover your content. So that's the power tip. Get people to that post early and use the power of Facebook with Facebook groups, and you'll find a winning combination. Hey, if you found this video valuable, make sure you give it a thumbs up to let other people know it's a valuable video. And if it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe and of course hit the bell icon so you're notified when I go live. And don't forget, there are 2 more videos recommended right here just for you.